All right, we don't come back today now Tuesday, the day after Easter Monday. Yes, Queen Bee, darling. No, Queen Bee knows that. I need to hear that because she's too much. Yes, Queen Bee is too much. Why did they laugh? See your kind of laughter. Okay. Today now the day after Easter Monday. How you celebrate your Easter? Hope say you enjoy yourself well, and also say you rest well, because today now the day where everybody need to go back to work. Go back work, like I talked before. Go back work with smile. I beg, not vex. You see some people go they drive say, "Oh my God, why did you just give us 2 weeks holiday? Why?" They don't try to give you Friday and Monday. So go back work with smile for your face. On that note, and welcome to Talk today. I am today now our real life issues day. Now today now we dey handle issues them where they affect human beings, all of us for inside Wobodo Nigeria, and we could get one particular letter from our viewers today where all of us need to put mouth inside to take help the person solve the problem with the big am. So you see, today could be very wonderful, and we also get stories then waiting the hot where you need to check your mouth inside. Cocoa of the day is today there for you, but make I just introduce myself. My name is Sirimen Uvi Ehikamusoy, and the ladies then going to talk. That's our hope.
All right, so make I start from here.
They're going to introduce themselves one by each,
start from this angle. We understand at the Easter fever, everything join body together. Now make you the talk. No, all the celebration everywhere you talk. Now make you the join.
I don't chop anything.
All right, Nadia, my own name still remains Queen Bee Obalo. Welcome to Real Life Issues.
Obalo. My name is Amaka Okudia for now. Good afternoon.
I know it's happened to Amaka, dear. She don't get used to that. Like
she waits. She look whether I want follow and talk about.
I decide
to disappoint him today.
No, I don't want me to talk with me. I make me do
good. The top person saw name to song. I don't understand you really.
And then my own name still remains Betiana Unweli. I hope so. Now get very kajad Easter break for me. It was sploofy.
No. For Betiana, it was very sploofy. If you're to an extent, I can't envy her. I can't envy her. Betiana was busy Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Excuse me.
One person.
Is the sky blue?
No, it's all green.
Am I high?
All right, we get letters from our viewers, Betiana.
Now we read letter.
Now you know.
So you know what read letter?
No, I just they ask. Okay. Our letter from our viewers today. Person talk say, dear Talk ladies.
All right.
I beg, I need una help. My girlfriend, she catch me inside they cheat on him, and she talks saying that because of that one, say she know they. Oh no, my girlfriend they cheat on me, and she talks saying that because I know they give her attention. The truth is say she no lie. My work they make me not get time for her, but I really love her and I dey ready to forgive her. What can I fit do to make my relationship work as we they work?
Very well. No sense we dey hear him. Yes.
So what can this person fit do? He actually admit, say yes, say the girl they cheat on him, and he catch the girl saying they cheat on him, and she said that because say him know they give her attention, and say true, he agree say he know they give her attention because in work today demanding. So waiting in fit do, saying they ready to forgive him, but waiting in fit do because at the end of the day, still if he forgive her, in work still they demanding, and possibility say still they say she go still cheat because he no guarantee say he go still give her that 100% attention where she they find. So waiting him go feed do because he love the girl too much to leave her.
This one, okay.
I don't really want give a reply yet, but just it's reason and say why be say every time a relationship problem people they always get past. No.
Okay, make I
don't say
I want to answer only waiting you talk, not be the one first. A relationship problem be say we be Nigerians, first of all. And because of our culture, our parents no really set the standard of kind of relationship where we actually supposed to go. We dey watch movie and we dey wish say those movies
like that.
Why no go play like that for my life? But I tell you, sometimes no be say you consciously dey do am, so you just want hurt that person, but because you don't know how. Nobody teach you, because out of 100 for Nigeria, if you dey out there, you know, out of 100, maybe might just say 50, might give them to 50% family, and those 50 where then they. You understand? When for house they go teach a girl to dey kitchen 247, and the father know they teach the boy wetin he go do. You understand? So you bound to fail one way or the other. For example, like this guy on, if I want to talk put. Now attention in maybe for example he grow up for house where they say everybody dey about their career,
mind their business.
You dey go work, come back, oh how is work today, they meet for dining table, everybody talk, go to bed, sleep. Maybe the time where they get to themselves. Now if they go church together, that's if they worship for the same church. They go out to see themselves, then inside car talk, and everybody come back, everybody don't go. But the girl, she need attention. Maybe she come from home, maybe say everybody they sit down together, and she can't fall into this kind of person life. And she don't understand how from Monday to Sunday, now only twice we go talk on top of phone. Sorry, you know go see. I go so cheat on you. No, aside even if you don't want to do so many things, sometimes you just need somebody to talk to.
Yes.
You understand? That's why they always talk, say, it is different from when you say, oh, I never break anybody's heart. Nobody don't break my heart. Sometimes you deal with them differently. Maybe, yes, the guy break your heart, but you know, oh my God. But you get somebody else where you they talk to every time. Now, another way of, say, they release your anger of heartbreak, be that, yes, you must not go like that and use blanket cover.
Or enter fast food chop 1 million chicken.
Like that. No. It still boils down to wait till you talk.
Yes.
Everybody get their own ways to handle issues.
Yes.
Now me, I feel if you be saying when I dey heartbroken, my own na to just stay inside my room, lock door, off light.
Yes.
Your own are maybe now to just go party, have fun because now waiting they there.
Let your head
tomorrow,
loose.
let your head loose. You understand? Everybody get their own different ways to handle issues. But for me, I could just salute this guy because it just be like the other day where we talk about if woman cheats, why be say men they take and like say federal government job. You understand? Yeah. But I salute him because he don't know say yes, he don't catch a girlfriend, say the girlfriend they cheat. But he's still ready to make amends. His work they very, very demanding and he's still ready to make amends. But the thing we say, what be the amendment where you want to make? You go actually start to give her attention because I just want to put him in the part of maybe say they go offshore and a person where they like 2 months off
2 months
and
off,
1 week on. You understand?
Wow.
So how you want to take down? You want to quit your job for your girlfriend? Even the girlfriend says, before she enters, she don't know say that this kind of job in they do.
Exactly.
I don't know of some people where don't talk say I know if you date banker. Until today they not go date banker because they know say bankers are too very, very busy. But they go reach out to go day very, very late.
And stingy.
And
not be all of them.
I don't know about them being stingy.
And stingy.
Maybe the one Betiana don't meet, they very stingy.
She tells her she don't meet anyone.
No, let me answer you.
Bankers, they stingy. She didn't know.
Bankers, they stingy. Anyway, for me, concerning this guy, waiting I go talk, we say, he need to realize, for me, my own opinion, now say, before person go cheat, na decision. People know they do mistake, cheat. They know they say, okay, all these people, they go say, na mistake, na devil do, I'm na lie. You plan them, cheating na calculated attempt of something. You don't calculate them, say, okay, this one, no, they work for me. Okay, if I enter this one, it go actually work for me. Now, calculated plan, you sit down, think, I'm sure, say, okay, I actually won't really do this thing. Fine, you love your girlfriend, we understand. But if you can't decide, say you won't take her back, it don't mean say she no go still make that decision again because, like we don't already talk, you know if you quit your job. At all. Assuming say you be offshore person and everything and you they travel, go travel, come. Yes, they travel, go, she they by geography go the next place again. Maybe the 1 week where she not say you go come, she go come back. And at the end of the day, the relationship you know go dey fruitful. So for me, I go just advise, say you find person where go fit tolerate your absence. Not be everybody they demand attention the same way. I feel demand 100%, me and that person demand 50 or 80%. Yes. Everybody demands they different. So you go try to look at the person where you say go actually tolerate your absence because if you accept this girl, no because no be swear, but she go still cheat on you again. Yeah, if not for that same reason, she go still cheat on you again.
Because if she don't do her once, she go do her again.
Yes.
But because her argument now say
she no get attention.
And which time you want to give her the attention when you go to, like that same offshore we use, you go travel offshore, come back 1 week. You never see give her attention. Phone call, no be enough attention which she need. The fact that you catch her, say she dey cheat, even when you don't there around, finally, she still dey cheat on you. Hello. If you really love the girl, then you maybe if to cheat, to drop your job, go show the girl say you really love her. Good luck.
Well, for me, I would say I know say waiting when I talk because we all of us get the way we think differently.
Yes.
But I would say for me, long distance work for me more than person where I see all the time. Why? Because I don't channel my mind in such a way. The way me take the hustle now, so the person they hustle, but in own they different from my own. Maybe he got to move away from where I did. So, but I understand say they easy. I not gonna lie you. They get sometimes where we say. Maybe I just need to say one say stupid thing. Me no say this stupid, but I just need to die my call. I just say, I want to say once. And that time, maybe you did tense. You need to deliver some job. You need to just do something. Be like, now what you want to be like, okay, yeah, thank you, yeah. And I'll be like, why did I call? But still, I find a way to deal with that. Maybe later the person will call me back and say, oh, sorry, I beg that time you've been they talk to me. I know attend to you. What do you want to? I say you don't pass. No, tell me now. Then I don't come understand. Say, oh, can I talk to you? You understand? So, but for the guy, me say leave the girl. And waiting I go talk, we say no matter how you take day busy, just try sit down with her. I wanna talk about them.
Create time.
You understand? Find way to create time. Okay, what if I call you in the morning 3 hours, for example, when I get the money? 3 hours before I go up there. When I come at night, I just they talk. If I get money, or when I buy the CUG kind of line, where yes. First in the morning, when I'll talk for a very long time before you go to work, then talk all day. Then in the evening, you can analyze everything will happen from morning reach evening. You fit try and for the next 3 months. If you work for una, then fine. Sometimes out of your break time, if you fit, we get technology and buy half phone with Skype, if you Tango, you fit chat, video chat.
You said they don't get all these things already.
Maybe you don't get time for all those things, but they say out of 2 hours, if you get break, you feel sacrifice, even if not 30 minutes. Connect. I know say before I connect sometimes they hard, but maybe just put the person out of your minutes as they go by. Just try see if it go work. Just
never
try.
know whether they do.
No, but for me, I just want. I don't know the kind of job we they do, but I just want reaching out to maybe most of all these offshore workers because the thing where they used to keep in touch with their families now technology. Of course. Now they got the CUG where they used to contact with their family, and then online where they used to view their families and make sure say their presence still they well known. Yes. I understand say they're easy, especially some women, some of us ladies we go talk say doesn't matter. I don't care whether he's there. As long as the money is there, they transfer and give me. But later on, you're going to feel absence.
Not even later on. Some people feel deal with them.
Some people feel deal with them. Some people not fit.
And the girl, to me, no fit.
Exactly.
And if you decide to leave this girl, go another one. What's the guarantee? Say that other one.
Yeah, that's
not going to cheat on them because he needs to actually work on himself.
Try time out of that no time.
Yes, try harder.
But wait. I hope so we know they misunderstand something.
No.
You know, say so, this thing where they talk, we never really know. You know, right and say, I they follow on Facebook, I they follow on Skype, and yet she still cheat on me. We don't know. So if we assume, say, actually, they follow on Skype, they follow on Facebook, they follow and do all these things where we talk, say, make you supposed to do, and yet the girl still cheat on them. Hello?
No,
meaning, say, the girl never understands.
You don't give up. You still add more time to what you have.
It's still up to him. Because now he
don't
talk
more time.
Yes, the time when he gets, now we don't calculate now.
Because some people,
some
people jobs they very demanding.
One thing I feel in life is about admitting your fault.
Yeah.
You don't admit and say, they give her attention because of the work. Then, the first step now for you to identify there's a problem. The second step now for you to work towards that problem and make it a solution. You understand? So,
out of that big problem where the guy they see, he don't see say the girl, to me, he don't see say the girl a very nice person.
Yes.
He can't look say, okay, out of every, the only problem be say now attention, which I know say now my fault.
I get him.
Then, you know what? Let's work on it. I will forgive you everything where you don't do.
Okay.
But now make we work on it. Now, out of me, I say you get 5 hours a day where you they take work, and another 5 hours when she take they meet you. I beg inside that 5 hours, create 20 minutes. Take talk for 20 minutes.
Or even
if not that one, okay, I go also add to the guy, if you really say you won't forgive this girl, and if you get the money, well, why not? If not, you should get all the time, you know, get time. Make sure they fly, come meet you wherever you day. If they possible. Yes, now. I should be that one spend time together.
Good. Maybe in a week you'll see them twice.
You know? Fly, you no be road.
If you still dey school, I
Say
tell you.
fly, no be
Or you dey
road.
walk.
But people need to understand, so they need to put their mouth inside that.
Yes,
Oh yes, I beg.
If
If you
not,
know
why
say you
not?
get anything where you want contribute for this guy, as you go take in relationship, work with in girlfriend where you don't cheat on her, but they're ready to forgive him, make you check him out for inside Twitter at Talk Wazobia, or you follow us on top Facebook. Our Facebook account now Talk Wazobia, the Talk Wazobia TV. Yes, now we're saying you go take join all the conversation where they happen for inside here.
And also, if you get anything where they give you anything at all, whether it's na work or na your madam, your oga or na life, just do some
On
kind
a
things.
Nigeria.
On a Nigeria.
Just tire, say Nigeria, why Nigeria be your country?
Anything at all where they give you, just enter with Facebook and send us message for there, and we go they relate with you. Talk Wazobia TV, now be our Facebook page, and also for Twitter, we did there for Talk Wazobia. All right, time for us to enter first story of today, waiting day hot. Now, our first story, now for inside Nigeria, yes. Lindsay, the body-built man, the man with the good body, yes.
Oui.
Not all. Links also come out talk say, me, woman where they talk too much. I know they attracted to them at all.
Parrot.
Woman where they talk too much.
when you
Or
see
talogbe, where they talk too much. Say you know they attracted to them. But inside the interview, he also revealed another one. He said he like women will get free spirits. Free-spirited ladies will get better morals, and one where him feel learn from. He said she must be able to cook and she must look good. Now waiting links, the body-built man don't come aside talk. Now ladies, we are ladies now, be. Now suppose waiting links don't come aside talk. This is real life issue. This is real life. If not talk with you don't like.
Why you gonna this is real life issues? This is real life issue.
Real life matter.
Real life issue.
Real life
Links have
issues.
talk it. You have talk it as it as
Yeah.
Yes, bam.
I don't understand.
But ladies,
Now we
why we go leave our hair they smell? Like really, Links doesn't like it. So now wash your hair 2 times in a week.
So they wash them because of links, I mean, because you
I
don't just
wash
want
my
me
hair.
smell. I
I
don't
mean,
understand.
hygiene you dey wash your hair for.
No, Links might be speaking for 1,000 men. You never can tell. Or a million men.
True,
Yeah.
true.
Any which ways, wetin links talk, you no wrong.
Okay.
Every the like to me it sound like normal thing wey man suppose expect from a woman. She no
Wait,
suppose
just bring
dey
in gender.
carry. No. You know say some women we just dey talk and I say no be because of links person suppose wash hair. You suppose know say your hair don dey smell. You sef you suppose this hair don taste like smell. Comot am.
How long you don't carry this your hair?
My dear, just na 1 week you just complete it.
And how long you don't wash it?
How long you don't watch out for this 1 week?
I want to watch
Maybe I
this
smell
one.
this hair.
I'm smelling for links. Bring your head. Bring down.
Links, no, links.
Give her
I
a
don't
smell.
come now.
Make she
I don't
smell
need you.
her.
Make
Make
she
she smell her.
It smells good anyway.
Links, you don't want this one.
But anyway, the hair is not smelling. But that's not the point. The point is say if you know say you don't carry with one, we don't to taste. Some people with hair no fit carry with one for 1 week. And you know the kind of hair where you get. If your hair they smell 2 days, that means you go know the type of style where you go they make where you go fit give your hair breeze. Abi, one out. So if link don't talk that one, me I'm not talking of links now. I'm just saying I feel say they okay. Say
make you
keep
keep your
your hygiene intact. Then when they talk of say the girl supposed to be cook. I don't know. Now personally, just me. Now me they talk. I don't feel say man supposed to get problem with girl. Make she must to sabi cook.
Why?
I know say this thing they like cause controversy, but I could just talk am. If the girl no sabi cook, now crime make you teach a man to cook.
What
No,
if he
but
not
if
sabi
he
cook? What
sabi
if the
cook?
man not sabi cook? Not hear wetin
Two of
people
una
talk
go
say
learn am.
parents.
Say, when una okay before una even marry, they get it be like saying na something we go do for fun. The girl no sabi, you no sabi. Two of una chook head together, find something. If I know say cookery books sometimes no dey work, but you go fit. You go learn am for somewhere. She said go find out say, oh my husband knows, as in no sabi cook. Me I learn cook. You go ginger am na fun na different parts of things wey go make una marriage stronger. Una go learn sometimes things together. Personally,
I know
just dey
that's
talk
your
my own
personal
view.
talk.
No, but I
as
know
a
say
love
everybody don
ambassador.
dey see am like whoa. Say how woman no go sabi cook? She sabi yes, woman suppose sabi at least put water on top fire.
What if
water
Amaka, they're supposed to born you for London or America.
No. I want better. You don't even need to say I see them born her for London. Till today, we still get Americans and people for obodo there go tell you say they no fit date the girl if she no sabi cook. Yes. But wetin them they do, because then they take them in a softer way. They understand say the mother and the father too, maybe they no sabi cook. But you know what? During dating, they go to all these chefs. Dinner where two of them go eat. The girl go there with the chef.
Yeah.
He go teach her how to cook the thing.
Now why I thought they
go
learn
how to cook.
No, but I thought you talk.
Yeah. Now
which kind of them? We do it for Nigeria too.
No,
you feel afford the
chef you go meet.
You go hire house
Hey,
girl.
God.
You
we
so she'll call the mother and call the left from house girl.
No, you don't go be like say she dey. The house girl don't go know say the woman they learn.
Why don't you just go to catering school? Must you?
You see, they still like you see, just they give us options now.
Oh, good. Okay. We make I tell you this one. My younger sister, as we all know, say she be chef. I get this lady. I know say she watch us. I get this lady. When they date, when she and the man they date, when the guy, she tell the guy say, I don't go come your hands, come wash your bedsheet. I don't come except you marry me. They marry, two of them never even touch themselves. No. And the guy actually marry her. But when they come marry, she can't discover say, okay, she start to work on time because she finished school on time. So she did work. She no get time for any to cook in noodles. Now what? I could notice that she always go all this fast food, go buy food. Like she create time, go there, buy food, go stock them inside, mostly soup. She go buy them. Then when she do the amala, see the seed where they do yeah. So she just losing up one day. She just tell me say, sis, I just tell you the truth. Yawa go gas, go soon gas. Now say what happen because say man to cook na problem for me. You don't notice. Now say I know to say for school, you know they cook. Even your mates, them for school, because she senior me for school. I said, so how I want to do? And she can say, Major, can they cook for me? Nana can say, okay, you know what you're going to do? Weekends, she will give my younger sister money. My younger sister will go market, go shop all the things so they will take cook. So two of them go there inside kitchen. But I tell you, they don't do this thing over a year, but she know the person will pick interest in cooking. Even till today, she knows sabi cook. No be say she knows till as I talk to you now. If she cook my if all of us eat and here, we're gonna kill.
So what will be the solution to that kind of thing?
You understand? But the man love her. And she be sweetheart, as in, hey, they love each other. But the guy up to today never still understand. See, no be she cook. You just feel say yes. Every Saturday they make sure say they stock house, cook soup, cook everything. Then she could just warm them, you know. But she don't know how to do sermon now. She don't know how to use. I don't teach her how to use blender, make pounded yam. The guy don't chop pounded yam.
Blender, teach up pounded.
She
my future marriage.
Now they use blender.
Listen. She no fit pounded yam. She no fit use the powder one. Take turn because it go get seed. So solution.
Blender.
Boil the yam, it go dey very soft. When you don't soft.
Anyway, for me, links.
I just the yam for the first time.
I do have the opinion say if you want date person, you know the date person based on what you they say because things will change. If you want date person, the inside package, not the outside package. If you say okay, I really like in talk say you like people where you be say then they free spirited blah 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 blah. You don't see all those ones say okay you want to follow the girl and peradventure her hair can they smell, I mean her mouth they smell. Maybe she not get the funds to take care of herself, and you as a big body built boy where we don't call you hello, you can like to upgrade your spouse, I mean a partner or anyone where they call her a girlfriend, because now waiting the love they about not be say because I want hug on my head they smell. You use love, tell her say baby. When last did you go to the salon?
Let me spoil you.
No, don't spoil. Just let me take you there.
All right, why would they do the spoiling and everything? You were there. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Tell us what you think about it. Links don't come outside talk. Number one, like women where their mouth they smell or their hair they smell. Number two, women where they talk too much.
You go talk ladies.
Number three, woman where not sabi cooking, not like and four, women where they free spirited and women where get moral.
But really, go get all this package in one
person.
I say only goals go send one.
He himself, he get morals.
We they go on break, Jerry. When we come back, other things are going. You go find out the girl will be 17 years old, but she get the body of 107 years old woman.
Wow.
Will they come back?
Yeah, flame.